The Winding Ways quilt pattern creates a mesmerizing illusion of continuous curves and flowing movement that captivates both quilters and admirers alike. When blocks are arranged together, they form beautiful pathways and striking optical illusions of interlocking circles that seem to dance across the fabric. Despite its complex appearance, the pattern is more accessible than it seems, offering a perfect opportunity to practice curved piecing while creating a quilt with graceful motion and visual depth. The first free pattern worth exploring is the Go Winding Ways quilt pattern, designed by Connie Kauffman for Quilt. This elegant design features 8-inch blocks, each composed of 20 precisely cut curved pieces. The pattern creates a finished quilt measuring 46 by 54 inches, making it ideal for using fat quarters. While designed for advanced quilters, the Quilt cutting system makes the intricate curved piecing more manageable. Another excellent free option comes from Peggy Kotek for American Patchwork and Quilting. This pattern uses curved piecing to create the illusion of interlocking circles with a warm, weathered feel achieved through scrappy blues and soft tans. The finished quilt measures 55 by 72 inches, perfect for draping over a sofa or folding at the foot of a bed. Though the piecing may look complex, consistent templates and layout guides help everything come together smoothly. Capture the eye with the Go Winding wall hanging, where beautiful curved geometry creates a stunning dimensional effect. The clever interlocking shapes play with fabric contrast and movement to give you a design that feels both modern and classic. At a compact 30 inches square, it's an ideal project for an accent wall or for trying out the Winding Ways block on a smaller scale. The Winding Ways quilt pattern stands as a testament to timeless quilting artistry. Its flowing curves create optical illusions that remain as fresh and captivating today as when first created. Whether you choose a traditional two-color approach or a vibrant modern interpretation, these patterns provide the perfect opportunity to expand your quilting skills while creating a truly stunning piece that will be treasured for generations. For more Winding Ways quilt patterns, visit ilovequiltingforever.com and discover even more inspiring designs.